Great. Pull, pull. Go forward. I won't pull. Just go. Oh, man. Oh, shit.
I'm hurrying!
Sit down, Tony. Sit down.
You're ready to paddle, Michael, or somebody.
You're going to have to paddle, Tony.
Don't!
No, no!
Go?
Do not. Ah, damn.
Come on, bring the paddle. All right.
Oh, shit!
What? Scott.
Huh? Yeah, yeah. You think that's good enough?
Go ahead!
Shoot it! Oh, shit! Oh my God, tell me you got that shit. I did. Oh,
Oh my God!
that is the coolest fucking shit ever.